Alright folks, so these are bearings from a 2010 Kia Soul. This is the entire steering knuckle, so in this vehicle it's actually pressed in. So we're using the pneumatics toolkit, and this is from Harbor Freight. So you can remove the pressed in bearings without using a press using this toolkit. So the way that it works is you have a large coupling here. That's going to go on the reverse side of the hub. You can help if you want to. That's going to go there. And then you have your pulling assembly. So just going to take it apart. So on the front side, you're going to have, or on the rear side rather, you're going to have this, which is the spline drive and the top cup. And you should try to get it as centered as possible. All right, now we're going to flip it over. All right. Alright, then on this side, you're going to put your top cup here.
Knock it off. Oh, good.
Top cup here, washer, and then the spline drive. And you're going to get this all the way tight.
Make sure it's centered.
Yep. And making sure it's centered there.
Okay.
All right, and then just show them the full assembly real quick so they can see what it looks like. So again, as you're doing this, the bearing is going to go towards the back. That's how it has to go for this vehicle. So we're going to be pulling from the front, and that's going to push this in through and pull the bearing out. The size, this is a 1 1/4 socket. Both sides of the drive are 1 1/4. Always want to start by hand, so
That was just moving. That was easy.
Slide it right in, huh?
Yeah. Alright, then with the drill.
Alright, and once you start it, you can move to some power to save you some time.
The other one was harder. The other one was
Seized up.
took some doing.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. All right. The inside here, you don't want that. So,
You know, it's a nice tool to be able to press stuff out with, though.
oh yeah.
And show them the top too on this. And those are ball bearings. That is the old bearing coming out right there. Alright.
Put that, just put that,
Yep.
take that.
Yep. That's hot.
Yeah, don't touch it.
That's why I knew Departure used to make bearings in Meriden.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there was a bearing company.
Don't touch it.
Departure.
Just hot. Oh, I didn't know.
When I was a kid, we used to take those bearings and play. They were like a key thing for playing marbles.
Yeah, yeah. It was like shooting marbles. Yeah, so that's good to use, you know, because this press here, when you have a press, you can't get that to go straight.
Yeah.
You know, so you have it down.
But the guy who used to
On
cut
this
our grass,
side.
was it?
Well, that's why it's nice to have that bolt in the center.
Right, exactly.
You know what I mean? Because a lot of times when you put a press, like you said, when you put it in a press, sometimes it'll
There you
tilt
go.
a little bit,
Yeah.
and then you're not pressing straight.
And now you're scoring it out. And now you got some. Now you gotta undo the whole thing. I'll get it to you.
Yeah, don't touch it. It's grease.
No, I'm not.
Things that work.
Yeah.
Things that go